Don't you ever...
Is that you?
Commissioner Kinsler? Ow! Get off of me!
Officer Bradley, control this crowd before they trample her into the sidewalk.
Yes, sir. NMPD, everyone back off! I said back off! You hurt?
No. I'll be all right.
Bradley, get her inside!
Take my hand. We've got to go.
What the devil are you doing out in the old city?
There was something wrong with the train.
You don't say. I know all about Virgil and his overprotective urges, Sadie. Bradley, drive!
Yes, sir. What's our destination?
That's a very good question.
My dad. He's at work.
The data center below the Oni building? No, I don't think so. There are too many Covenant in that district. I'd like to take you somewhere much more private. Bradley, the partition, if you please.
Yes, sir.
Where are we going?
The police department has an emergency bunker outside the city limits. We'll be very safe.
That's very kind of you, Commissioner, but I can't. I'm sorry. If you would please, take me to the city center.
Such a serious young woman. Just like your mother. New Mombasa's most passionate public defender. Too bad her last client really was a sick, murdering bastard. She had your eyes.
Virgil, stop the car.
As police commissioner, it's my job to uphold the law. And I'm afraid the city has very strict personal privacy statutes. My car is off the grid, Sadie. As far as Virgil is concerned, you just disappeared. Assaulting a police officer, that's a serious offense.
Don't come any closer.
Just like your mother.
Let go of me.
It's the end of the world.
Virgil, please.
Nobody
Somebody!
cares what happens to one lost soul. Officer, why are we stopping? Keep going.
Get out!
What?
You heard me.
Let go of my coat. What do you think you're doing?
My job.
I hope that hurts, you son of a bitch.
Not as much as you're going to hurt when I...
Commissioner, I'm taking the car. You want to get out of the city? You can walk like everyone else.
You'll pay for this, Bradley!
It's the end of the world. Nobody cares what happens to you.
Where's the rest of your team, Trooper?
Scattered, dead, I don't know.
That's too bad. We're gonna need all the men we can get. Take a guess, genius.
Son of a gun!
Want to live? Get your ass out of the street!
Wait for me! Last mag.
Get to the Scorpion tank, Trooper, before the Wraith takes it out!
Ask me!
Come on, Trooper! Don't let the Wraith kill our tank! That Wraith is killing us! Blow it to pieces!
Ah, good work, Trooper. Covenant's been rolling us back block by block. Every Marine in the city is heading for a rally point near the Naval Intelligence Building. You ought to come with us.
Sure, as long as I get to drive the tank.
We got a squad of Marines pinned down, far corner of the next plaza. It's packed with Covenant, Trooper. Once you commit, don't stop moving. Everyone pile on. We're pushing to the rally point.
I spotted a whole column of hostile armor headed in that direction.
Don't worry. This ODST we got, he's an artist with high explosives.
Using a target.
Damn it! I'm gonna get an inspection. Rally point's inbound.
Right on time!
Man.
Snipers, watch those rooftops. Head through the security door to Kizingo Boulevard. Fastest way to the rally point. Over there. Placing a beacon on the door. Let's move, Trooper.
Ghost turret's hot! Ready to fire!
Relax, Marine. Wait until they're in the kill zone.
Ghosts! They'll see me for sure! I gotta take the shot!
I said hold your fire. Concentrate on the Wraith at the end of the... Ah, hell. Backblast clear. Let them have it. Watch the door! Tangos!
Reloading.
He's in cover! Scumbag!
Wake up and smell the death. Cover me, reloading.
He's moved into cover! Those Covenant dropped in behind us. They must know this is our rally point.
Terrific.
Come on, we got ammo and weapons on the high ground. Move it, move it!
Can't be all of them.
I'm starting to...
Phantom! Everyone, find some cover!
Let's get out of here!
Hey, watch this.
Come on! Oh, great movement on our position!
Kill those runners, Mickey! They're trying to flank us!
Last mag.
Over here!
How'd you like this, huh?
Keep it up, Mickey! We almost got him beat!
Reloading.
That's all of them! Way to go, Mickey! Come to my position!
If only they were all that.
You heard from Gunny?
No, Romeo neither.
Well, guess it's just you and me.
My vote, hole up, wait for backup. Thank God! Does one of you know how to use explosives?
Your vote just got overruled.
Oh.